Oh, I love this part. It's another one of those, wait, what is it? It's a Q&A with Kimmay. Oh my goodness. Listen, y'all, I'm very excited about this Q&A because this is about trying to salvage a bra that has been broken. Here it goes. Do you know how to fix my bra strap? It's one of those ones that removes at the back but is attached to the front. The clasp snaps that keeps it attached at the back, and I don't know how to fix it. Buy a new clasp, ditch the bra completely, help! Okay, in an effort to keep your bra from the landfill, let's see if we can fix this strap on the back. Especially if you love this bra, I want you to keep it. So if you have a convertible bra that has a removable hook in the back, and the hook has broken, or the little loop has broken, you can actually re-sew this and it can be good as new. You can find the little hooks in the back at like a dressmaking store, or sometimes a craft store, or even online. They'll usually come in a big pack of them, so you'll have lots of extras, and then you can just loop it back on and re-sew it, and you're good to go. It may not be exactly like the other one, but it should work. But honestly, if you're like, I don't know how to use a sewing machine very well, finding this online is going to take way more effort, and this bra is not actually even in good shape, then friend, please just go and get a new bra. I'm all about helping your bras last as long as possible, but don't try to save a bra that's not even fitting you well. Please let me know how this turns out. I hope this helped you, and I hope this helps keep some bras out of the landfill. If you have a question, you can leave it below, and please share this with somebody who needs to know. Hooray!